In a dramatic proclamation that went into Saturday midnight, Andrew Gutaunashe, the self-proclaimed chief prophet of Emerson Mnangagwa, has declared that the Zimbabwean president has reached the end of his divine 7-year rule, comparing his fall to that of King Nebuchadnezzar, the Babylon ruler, who was humbled by God and reduced to spend the next 7 years eating grass among animals. Sanapena mashoka hakuna panapa utaona shomuza kuti aiwa ndiye profeti umutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe unoona vanoenda vachinopuwa deliverance and the likes. Panguva inoyi otaura achiti aiwa utongi hwemutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe hwaguma sehwaNebukadhinezari. Sanapena mashoka mudanyira panapa nobva subscribe or like or turn the bell kuti ipina mudaniro pamuchinzi. Utaonashe addressing his prayerful congregation claimed that God first revealed Mnangagwa's rise and fall to him in 1997 and again in 2010, which would be only a 7-year glorious period, after which Mnangagwa would lose supernatural power and start manifesting humanness. He suggested that his expiration is part of God's divine plan. A leader humbled like Nebuchadnezzar, Utaunashe directly suggested Mnangagwa's downfall, emphasizing that it was God's doing, not man's will. In quotes, I wanted to just hear from God, and God told me he is being humbled. Amen. Everyone is saying whatever they wanted to say, but when people say things they wanted to say about the leader, don't make the mistake of thinking that they unmakes him as a leader, he said. He stated that when Mnangagwa's humiliation is a trend on social media, it does not negate his divine calling even after his expiration, reinforcing that leaders are chosen by God, not by popular opinion, he said. Tomashwana kuda panapa itokona utano achiti aiwa panguva inoyi aiwa utongi hwemutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe expire, anoda kuti aiwa utongi kana maleaders anoinstiliwa kana kuisiwa kana kuapointiwa naMwari. Panguva ino achiti aiwa according to the prophecy some years ago, wakataura kuti Mnangagwa achangotonga for 7 years, of which panguva ino achiona in the spiritual realm anoti aiwa dzakwana, now he has to step down. Anofananidzana Nebukadnezar achiti aiwa achamborohwa neshamu sezvamunongoziva in the Bible munoisa story yaNebukadnezar. Tinze mafunguro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinako musection medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.